Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove a card from Venmo. First, if you're looking for an inside out tutorial, this is not the video for you. I apologize. So, how to remove a card from Venmo? So, if you want to remove your card, all you need to do simply, of course, if you click on cards here, first of all, as you can see, you'll find an icon here. It's called cards at the bottom. If you click on it, you'll be able to see all the cards that you have on your Venmo account. So how can you remove them? Simply, you'll have to click on the Me icon now at the bottom right. Then you'll find a settings icon at the top right corner of your Venmo application. Once you click on that, all you need to do, go and click on payments settings. Once you click on payment settings, you'll find all the cards that you have. And there, once you click on the card, of course, whatever card you want to delete, all just hold it or click on the three dots on it and click on delete card. As an example, I'll just show you some snips from a video. So as I said, as you can see in here, there's once you click on me, you find yourself right here. You can click on the settings icon at the top right corner. Once you click on settings icon, you'll find yourself with this. All you need to do, just click on payments methods. Once you click on it, you'll find all the cards that you have in here. Click on the card that you want to delete as an example. So once you click on it, click on remove. And as you can see, are you sure you want to remove this card? Click on remove card and you should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.